Hello friends, welcome back to Student Blog. In this Nutanix series of sessions, we'll be looking at the deploying Prism Central. So before that, let's look at a few things. What is Prism Central? Like it's a centralized management for multiple registered clusters. So using the single sign-on, using the Prism Central, we can log into the registered clusters at a time, and you can handle couple of things like creating VMs, like look at the summary of dashboard for clusters, virtual machines, hosts, disk, storage, lot more. So you can also analyze the capabilities for multi-clusters, so multiple clusters, and you can look at the multi-cluster alerts task at a single screen. So apart from that, you can upgrade the inventory using the LCM, that is a lifecycle manager. So you can also create users, you can integrate Active Directory, and you can add the roles permissions to the users groups and view from single point. And also you have an option to connect to the services pages, like service pages, to Carbon buckets and Calm. So lot of things we can do from this single point of availability. So you can create a witness prism. So lot of tons of things we can do it from here. So we'll be discussing about everything, all the stuff in our next video. So for this, we will go to our lab, and we'll try to deploy the Prism Central uh, VM. So for this, I have logged into my cluster, that is vStudent block cluster, and this is a single node cluster, and a single VM is running on it. You can see that a single host with one block, and it's a community edition, and all we are looking at this screen from a couple of videos. So going to this like Prism Central. So if you click on register or create a new Prism Central, so what happens is it will ask for two things. One is to deploy a new instance, and one is to register, which if or you already deployed a Prism Central instance, you can register it from here. So we not yet deployed any Prism Central here, so we'll click on deploy. And for this, if it is production, what happens is it will list the available version of the Prism Central, and you need to just select it, and click on download and install it. So ours is a uh, community edition, so I already downloaded the binary file and two files. So I already have a files on my on my laptop where I'm doing this video. So yeah, let's go there and just configure it. Okay, so if you see here, when I click update, so I'm able to see there are no compatible version available, and I need to select the two files to upload installation binary. One is .json file, and one is for tar file. The two files I have downloaded, I will just go and select the files. So here is the Prism Central deployed tar JSON file, and one more is like a Prism Central deploy file, which I just selected. If you go here, you are able to see that C deploy and C deploy two files. Like one is JSON file and one is star files. Both we download, and now we are going to upload it, and it will take a lot of time because my environment is running on low resources. So I will just click on upload, and we will wait uh, till it is getting deployed. So once it is done, you will be able to see at the point of Prism Central, you are able to see the a spinning circle saying that it's getting deployed. So now it is uploading the files. Once it is done, we will go into that stage. So we'll wait, and see what's going on. So file upload is completed, so we are going to install it. Just click on install. So now it is asking for scale out Prism Central for Prism Central cluster and a single VM Prism Center. So if you can see, the capacity for scale out Prism Central cluster is 5K to 25K VMs, and added resilience is RF2. Minimum memory required is 78 GB, and for single VM Prism Central, it supports up to 2.5K to 12.5K VMs, and default resiliency required memory is 26 GB. So if you don't have this much of minimum memory, then VM won't turn on. So I will go for this, as we are looking for only single VM. Just click deploy one VM per PC, and it will ask for VM name. So I'll give central 01. So we are selecting the container, that is default container test 01. So I need a small environment. So uh, it's a test environment. So network, yeah, obviously it's VLAN 101, and I will give IP 192.168.0.106. Subnet is 255.255.255.0. Gateway 192.168.0.1. DNS 192.168.0.40. So here, like, we selected the required options, and we'll click deploy. Let's want to make sure that selected IP is not reserved for something else. It's pinging. Oh, so we'll select 107, and we'll deploy it. So now deployment is in progress. You are able to see the Prism Central status as deploying. So it will take a lot of time. So I will end up this call, this video for now, and once it is deployed, I will come up with another video with the default, with the dashboard, availability stuff, everything. So yeah, thanks for watching, uh, and please do subscribe my channel, and like my videos. For suggestions and queries, please reach out to me on bstudentblog@gmail.com. Thank you. Bye bye.